Motorola launched its new smartphone under G Power series in India called Moto G77 Power with 5G support. Now, let's take a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Moto G77 Power features a tall 6.72-inch Full HD Plus display with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 1050 nits of peak brightness support, and the screen on the top is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 7i. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6400 chipset paired with Mali G57 MC2 GPU. As per the storage, the smartphone packs with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to 16GB by using internal storage, and it has 128GB of UFS 2.2 storage, which is further expandable up to 1TB via hybrid microSD card slot. In the camera department, the Moto G77 Power sports a 50-megapixel main camera on the rear, with Sony's LYTJ600 sensor, along with the 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 120-degree field of view. For selfies, it has 32-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.2 aperture, and both the front and rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 2K videos at 30 frames per second. The device comes backed by a massive 7,000 mAh battery with 30 watts turbo power charging support, and it runs on Android 16 out of the box. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP64 certified for dust and splash resistance. And it is also military standard 810H compliant for shock resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 166.23 by 76.5 by 8.89mm, and it weighs around 215 grams. So now, let's explore the pricing details of this smartphone. The Moto G77 Power has been priced in India at 25,999 Indian rupees, and it is said to go on sale in the country starting from July 13th in Pantone Fuchsia Red, Pantone Impenetrable, and Pantone Nautical Blue color options. So, what do you guys think of this Moto G77 Power smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.